Hello students, today I shall do this sum. Limit x tends to 0 sin 1 by x does not exist. So this type of sum I shall do by sequential approach method. Here sequential approach method মানে just I shall take two sequences xn and another sequence yn in such a way that this sequence tends to 0 and this sequence also tends to 0, but the value, the sequence, this f of xn, fx মানে sin 1 by x, this is fx, so f of xn and f of yn converge to two different limits. Suppose f of xn tends to L and f of yn tends to L dashed. If these two values are different, then we shall say that limit does not exist. This is the method. But if these two limits are if these two limits are equal, then limit may or may not exist. We cannot say anything. So here very important is the choice of sequence. So we shall choose now two sequences xn and yn. I shall do this in this way. Suppose fx is equal to, let fx is equal to sin 1 by x. Let us consider two sequences xn and yn where xn is equal to 1 by 2n pi and yn is equal to 1 by suppose 2n pi plus pi by 2. I have taken xn and yn in this way because easily I can calculate value of the function. So n is here natural number, and as n tends to infinity, xn and yn both tends to 0. So here xn and yn must tend to 0. So xn tends to 0 and yn tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. Now calculate f of xn and f of yn. So f of xn is equal to, this is sin 2n pi, which is equal to 0, and f of yn, this is equal to sin it is 2n pi plus pi by 2, which is equal to 1. দেখো here f of xn, clearly f of xn tends to 0 as n tends to infinity because it is a constant sequence, and f of yn also tends to 1 as n tends to infinity. Therefore f of xn and f of yn converge to two different limits. That is why we shall say that limit does not exist. Limit does not exist. Now student, I shall change the function in this way. If it is cos 1 by x, for example it is cos 1 by x, it is cos of 1 by x, then also you can take this type of sequence, and here f of xn will become cos of 2n pi, this will be cos of 2n pi, which is 1, and it will be cos of 2n pi plus pi by 2, that is 0. Then f of xn converge to 1, it is constant sequence, and f of yn converge to 0 as n tends to infinity. So since the two sequences converge to two different limits, therefore we shall say that this limit does not exist. Now student, suppose function is cos of root this 1 by root x, then fx is equal to cos of 1 by under root x, and here we shall take xn and yn in this way. What will be xn? Then we shall take xn is equal to 1 by 2n pi square, and yn is equal to 1 by 2n pi plus pi by 2 square. Now if I put these values here also, xn yn tends to 0 as n tends to infinity, and f of xn will be same thing 1, f of yn will be same thing, this will be 0. So fxn tends to 1, fyn tends to 0. These are two different limits, therefore limit does not exist. Similarly, just if I consider this function, देखो, if I consider this function, this limit, suppose this is limit x tends to 0, sine 1 by x to the power 3. Then student, you will choose xn is equal to 1 by cube root of 2n pi, and yn is equal to 1 by cube root of 2n pi plus pi by 2. You will get same thing. Now another question, suppose if I want to take this limit x tends to suppose 5 box function x, this is greatest integer function. Box function mane it is greatest integer not exceeding x. So here I shall take two sequences, xn is equal to suppose 5 minus 1 by n, or yn is equal to 5 plus 1 by n, because box function change its value at integral point. So just before 5 value will be 4, and just after 5 value will be 5. So here xn tends to 5 as n tends to infinity, and yn also tends to 5 as n tends to infinity. But f of xn, fx means this thing, this is fx, f of xn will be 4, or f of yn is equal to 5. So f of xn tends to 4, or f of yn tends to 5. These two are different, therefore limit does not exist. Student, in next video I shall send you some different and difficult problems. Student, please subscribe my channel and I shall send you everything time to time, but my videos will be very small in size. Thank you student. Okay.